it is, well, wait until it comes up. Yeah, it's Bonfire night for some people, but it's not Bonfire for us because I'm in the UK. But I've just been in bed. Yeah, and for some reason I found this. And I don't know what to do about it, but let's not talk about that. It's currently 6:25. Okay, there's teenagers. I just don't like to look at them. Magic in the air. Okay. Yes, this is me and Lexi. Yeah, we did go to school together. Well, we are brother and sister, but look at me, I had long hair. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, guys, it is Bob. No, sorry, I haven't been filming, and sorry if this happens. Good magic in here. Let me just fix the clock because look, it's okay, hopefully that stays like that. And I'm just going to look for some fireworks. Let me just get the key. This is the key for the door. Okay, I'll be 1 minute and I'll just go have a look for some fireworks. 5 minutes later. Okay, sorry, I guess I do that voice. But it's been like has it been 5 minutes? It has been 7 minutes. And I still haven't found one single fire. There's teenagers over there. But I just put you in my corner and I'll be having a look, so don't worry, I am not just ignoring you, I'm just having a look for fireworks because I hear them coming from like over there and not like, you know, over there, like over there, but I think it's over there. Magic in the air. I found that song. Go watch Bonfire. Oh, and check out Annabelle the freaking doll. Look at her! Oh no, goodness, she's not there. So, if I just stay up on my nice... Look, sorry, but that's my new, like, my camera angle. I guess. guys. Ready? Woo! Okay. Okay, I'm going to leave the camera here. And yeah. So I think someone will be coming in, so I'll have to blur the faces. Yeah. So before we do that, a big shout out to Beep Beep Bleep Bleep Beep Beep. This glows in the dark, so if I just turn the light off, put this in any socket, it will turn orange. And then put the light back on and just okay. So yeah. So see you in a bit. Bye bye. 10 minutes later. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah. Oh yeah, I got these if you want to take them. Well, it's not filming. Okay. Yeah, my name is Daniel. My name is Hudson. If you liked the video, please do not subscribe because everyone hates my channel. So I'm gonna quit YouTube. If you want me to quit YouTube, I will quit. Now just leave me alone. I'm a little kid. I should deserve what Ethan Gamer TV deserves. I've shouted nearly everyone that I like. What else do I need? Anyway, bye. I'm gonna cry. Before I do that, why should I get a new camera if you're not even liking my videos? I can't get a new camera if I can't get over 1,000 views. So please like the video. And please subscribe to my channel because right now I've got 0. How does it make me feel? Huh? Okay, anyway, bye.